sun is rising, calling out to me. I feel its warmth, forgetting yesterday's rain. Today is mine, I'll move slowly forward, step by step, growing my heart. I am of infinite worth, words can't express it all. Everything I need is right here within me. Embracing dreams in this new morning, taking a deep breath, letting my heart shine. This morning light guides us, enjoying every challenge as I move ahead. I am of great value, radiating light in this new day's shining glow. In quiet moments, I'll find my peace. Every morning brings a fresh start. Like the wind, I'll paint on the blank canvas. I am of infinite worth, words can't express it all. Everything I need is right here within me. Embracing dreams in this new morning, taking a deep breath, letting my heart shine. This morning light guides us, enjoying every challenge as I move ahead. I am of great value, radiating light in this new day's shining glow. In quiet moments, I'll find my peace. Every morning brings a fresh start. Like the wind, I'll paint on a blank canvas. I choose joy, I choose peace. Let it go of what no longer serves me. Today is a gift filled with joy. I feel gratitude in every breath I take. I am of infinite worth, words can't express it all. Everything I need is right here within me. Embracing dreams in this new morning, taking a deep breath, letting my heart shine. This morning light guides us, enjoying every challenge as I move ahead. I am of great value, radiating light in this new day's shining glow. Every morning brings a new beginning, with open arms and a heart full of hope. I stand up, shining, reaching for the sky. Today I'll fly higher, soaring beyond.